Dear colleagues, the Megagen European Scientific Meeting is almost at door. The leitmotif of the event is how to minimize the complication and consequently how to maximize the success of our daily practice. In a world where implant therapy is becoming a routine use and everything seems extremely simple to be afforded by anyone, it is extremely important to focus on those apparently small details which can largely improve the success of our practice. The Megagen meetings are also famous to be perfectly arranged to give to all the participants the opportunity to meet colleagues, to exchange ideas, to enrich one's personal knowledge in a wonderful atmosphere. So don't miss this event. See you soon.